Hey guys, welcome back to SRT Learning, and this is Ankit Prajapati, and today we're gonna cover one more video, one more interview question on Cypress automation. Okay, so if you are preparing for the Cypress job role, or if your colleague is preparing for Cypress job role, I will just suggest just go through this playlist. Why? Because in this playlist we cover the questions that has been asked by the big tech companies like TCS, Wipro, Accenture in their real interviews. We collect that question from our candidate who appear for the real interviews, and we make the videos for that, and we keep increasing this playlist. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, I will suggest just go and subscribe to our channel, so whenever we upload any new video it will help you. And yeah, to be honest, always be ready with the latest tools and technology if you're even though if you're a developer or automation engineer. So that's why you have to be remain upgraded on the what latest interview questions are asked in the market. Okay, what is the interview pattern they has been changed, and for that reason we keep coming with the some latest interview question videos for you guys. Okay, so let's see what we're gonna cover today. How do you capture screenshot and videos in Cypress? Now this question will come, and then you will realize, okay, I think this is the default functionality, or the automatically Cypress take the screenshot and the videos whenever we execute the test script, right? You are correct. In Cypress these two of the things will be done automatically, but as they know this has been done by automatically, they wants to know some more detail from you. So how you should answer this question? Okay, they will ask you how do you capture. Okay, you cannot straight away say yes, it is automatically taken the screenshot and video when you execute your automation script. No, you have to form your answer little bit in a different way. So the screenshot in a Cypress, yes, first things, automatic screenshot. When the test failed in a Cypress run mode, okay, the Cypress will automatically capture the screenshot and of the failure point and store into this folder. Cypress screenshot spec name means test file name, then what is the test name, and file.png. This is the, I will just say, the default syntax and the subfolder which will have the failed screenshot of the execution. Okay, when the Cypress take automatically the screenshot in terms of the failure. Then manual screenshot, suppose if you want to take a manual screenshot, if you want to put intentionally, okay, I want to capture this screen, even though if it is pass or fail, I want to capture that particular area of that particular execution, then you can use cy.screenshot, this method. And when you use cy.screenshot, it will take the screenshot of that particular execution steps. Okay, if you want to take a if you want to capture the specific element, okay, you want to see how the specific element look like, then you just say cy.get profile element dot screenshot. It will take a profile element like this will take the full page, this will take the element specific. So these two things they wants to know from you. Might be they will ask you in this way, how you can take a screenshot of the specific web element. Then you just says we first locate the web element by using cy.get, then use the screenshot method, and it will be take the screenshot of specific web element. Then also you can just take a, like if you want to see the home page after this is the file name, it's gonna be attach the file name into the folder. Okay, so cy.screenshot home page after login .png will get created. Okay, so in videos, so this is how you can take a screenshot, automatic and manual way. But in videos, it's automatic videos, how it's gonna be take. So when running a Cypress okay, Cypress run command, Cypress record the video of entire test execution. It will not take a video from step 1 to 10 or something specific between step. It will take the video of entire executions when you run the Cypress run command. Okay, and videos are only recorded in the headless. Okay, if it is a headed mode, it will not record the videos, not only using the Cypress open. Okay, so videos are only recorded in the headless mode, not when you are using with the Cypress open. That command, if you just go to Cypress open and open your test script and click on the test script and run your execution, at that time video will not be taken, it will only taken in a headless mode. So by default, if you want to take a automatic video, you have to run your test script in a headless mode. Okay, so another things that you need to require to do the configurations in a cypress.config.js file, where you can just say end-to-end folder, you need to just make sure video is equal to true, that enable disable the video recording of your execution. Then also you can also do the screenshot about failure. It will be always true. Like take a screenshot, this will be always remain true. Then video folder and the screenshot folder. If you want to separately specify over here, I want to store all the videos or the screenshot, you can define over here as well. Okay, if you do not want to go to this the default folder, you can specify a custom folder in the cypress.config.js file. Okay, so another integration may be arise how you can change the location of your video storage video folder in Cypress, or how you can change the location where you want to store the screenshot of your execution. So this is the way cypress.config.js file where you can go and change the location like video folders and the screenshot folder. These are the two I will just say the variable. You need to modify the values, you need to give the folder names from the Cypress root directory, and you can change the information accordingly. Okay, so they will ask you what can you give some example from your project. It just says in my project we enable the automatic screenshot and video to debug the CI/CD pipeline failure. Okay, this is our main purpose of taking the videos and screenshot for the debugging purpose. If something goes wrong, then we need the evidence to prove it, or to showcase to the developer, or to raise a bug. Okay, so when the test case failed in Jenkins, Cypress automatically capture that information, screenshot of the failure steps, video of the full test executions, and QA team can download them from the build artifact and quickly debug and see what exactly went wrong and where exactly it went wrong. Okay, so this is the way you should answer this in these questions. That they will ask you about the screenshot or video recording in Cypress automatically. Yes, it is always there, but the manual way you can do this, and how you can change the folder of the in a cypress.config.js file. Okay, and give the example of your project like this way. Just make some stories about your project. Okay, this, and if they might be asked, can you tell me one of the example where it got failed and intentionally, and you have downloaded that artifact and debug that particular, just says product page or any page related to your project domain. Give some page idea and just says on this particular button it was always getting failed. So we refer the videos and the screenshot, and we debug that particular issue, and it help us to raise the bug for the developer with the proper evidence and proper steps for the developer. Okay, so I think this is all about this question, guys. So if you are preparing for the Q automation interviews, there are many videos for interview related questions in our YouTube channel. For Cypress, TestNG, API testing, you can see the Playwright as well, the Git related videos, and now we are focusing on Cypress one. So keep learning and keep cracking the interviews, guys.